Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify privacy policy and cookie settings impact on SEO, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by understanding the importance of privacy policies and cookie settings in the context of SEO. Start with a thorough review of your website's privacy policy. Ensure that your privacy policy is clear, comprehensive, and specific to your site's data collection practices. Look for compliance with regulations like GDPR and CCPA, as violations can lead to penalties affecting your SEO. Next, check if your cookie consent mechanism is user-friendly and transparent. Make sure users have a clear option to accept or decline cookies, as this impacts user experience and behavior. Test your website to see if cookie settings directly affect page loading speed and overall user experience. Observe how these settings impact your website's bounce rate and time on site metrics. Next, utilize tools like Google Analytics to assess the impact of strict cookie policies on user engagement. Create a comparison of user behavior pre- and post-implementation of any changes to your privacy policies or cookie settings. Analyze your website's ranking in search engine results after adjusting privacy and cookie consent settings. Check for any fluctuations in organic traffic that could correlate with these changes. Regularly audit your website's privacy policy and cookie settings to keep up with evolving regulations. Make sure to inform users of any updates to the privacy policy to maintain transparency. Document all findings and changes impacting SEO to gauge effectiveness over time. Continuously monitor your website's performance to determine any long-term effects on rankings and traffic. Stay updated on SEO best practices related to privacy policies and cookies, as these can evolve with new regulations. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.